dito?
Yes, Your Honor. At this point,
In fact, may preliminary investigation, di ba?
even before that, in the fact-finding investigation, I understand that in the Office of the Ombudsman, they are also asked to reply to whatever complaint that is filed. In the preliminary investigation, I'm sure there is that opportunity given to them. Otherwise, the preliminary investigation will be rendered null and void if they're not given the right to controvert the charges or the complaint against them.
In other words, we should also not take it against the accused or yung mga kinakasuhan ngayon from also giving their defense. Kasi they can also prove their innocence.
Yes, Your Honor.
Diba? Ms. Tuason, just sorry for this last question. No? Meron ka ba kayong conflict ng Vice President or anything ganyan? Why would he say that your testimony is at that? Do you know any reason for that?
I was never close to him.
But you also don't have any conflict or whatever with him or anything?
I remember when he was still mayor, I made a complaint that he got upset about me.
What was that complaint?
The complaint is I was complaining because my driver got caught going into a one-way. And
So you're just complaining to him as mayor. Mayor, bakit
Yes.
naman ganito, ganyan. Okay. Lastly, Secretary, no? Director, so the DOJ officially, you take exception to the statement that the testimony is at that. As far as you're concerned, you believe in the testimony.
Yes, Your Honor. Definitely. We believe in the testimony of our witnesses. We believe in their credibility, and we believe that we have a strong case. Of course, they are entitled to their opinion, but I hope that they will also recognize and respect our position on the matter, being the DOJ.
On that note, Mr. Chairman, thank you for this opportunity and thank you to our witnesses for being here this afternoon.
Okay. The names of the persons pointed out in the albums, dalawa po, no? Alfredo de los Reyes, who is a security personnel of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. And the other one, unfortunately, yung picture, there are 4 rows of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, no? Yung mga pangalan hanggang sa 3rd row lang. Yung 4th row, walang pangalan, but according to the Sergeant at Arms, kilala nila. In fact, ang palayaw is Tani. Tani, he is an aide of Senator Jinggoy Estrada, and they're retrieving the records. They have the records now on the person. Okay. So with that, well, with that, there are no other senators left who wish to ask questions. Let me end by saying that